Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I have a Stryker SR-497 for you this evening, and it's for Gianluigi in Italia. This is a tune-up report for you. Over here on this watt meter I've got 100 watts across the top scale. 10, 20, 40, 60, 80 there. I'm going to come in right at 25 where I set your high power on AM. On FM we set you up for 50. Over here, AM peak power, 250 watt slug, because we're going to just barely go over this 100 watt mark right here. There's 100, there's 150.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. And we'll put it on here. Oh, I didn't show you the low power. Let's bring it back up here. We showed you we had 25. Now I'm going to put it on a 30 watt scale, and you'll see there's the 25. I'm going to go one more scale down, 10 watts on the top. It's going to peg that one. I'm going to bring the power down now, all the way down to its lowest point. We end up with just about 2.5 watts.
Audio, check, check, check.
AM down there. FM all the way down, just a little over 2 as well. Okay, let's put it on the air.
Hell, all those people talking over each other, somebody can give me a radio check. Come on, breaker, breaker, audio, check, check. I appreciate it, driver, thank you. 10-4 on the shifter.